Okay, we'll move to the next topic. In that only, process perspective. After the context modeling, we people are going for the process perspective. It shows their system in the environment, not how the system being developed and it is used in that environment. Okay, so only thing we know that in the context model these many aspects are we are going to get it. We know that these many aspects we are going to get it, but how to develop it, how it is going to interact with each other, those things we are not going to mention here. Okay, the process models reveal how the system being developed is used in the broader business process. The process model is going to reveal what it is going to deal, how we are going to develop it, and how it is used as a business process. Okay, for that we are going to get the UML activity diagram, which is defined in the next diagram. Okay, just observe the process model of involuntary detention center. Just observe this. I'm going to ask few questions to you people. This is visible to you people? Visible?
Yes, sir.
By observe this beautiful, wonderful diagram. What is the first thought you people are going to get it? Okay, let's have fun. Who is available right now? Roll number 1 or 2, 1 or 3, 1 or 4. Roll number 1 or 2.
Present, sir.
Okay, let's interact with roll number 1 or 2. Okay, roll number 1 or 2. So this is the involuntary detention model. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
suppose that for timing you have to suppose that someone your close friend is got the some of the mental disease. You are getting the what is the mental disease?
Got, sir.
Okay, so how you are going to deal it, how we have to deal with it. So first you have to check that the system is available or not for develop or for giving the treatment for the mentally unstable people. So first we are going for the system ment care, that is our regular ment care. Okay, in that we are first confirming. Okay, confirm the detention decision. What is that? The Shreya's close friend, first we have to check that he is a mentally unstable. Okay, next, so you people are coming next. Here what you are going to do, you are checking that inform the patient rights. Okay, so you people are coming to the here the patient is right it or not, that is what are the rights are there, you are coming next. You people are coming to the here. Okay, the present system of the your patient is a dangerous or not dangerous. So there are possibility of that the who was mentally unstable, there are possibility they are mentally as they are dangerous, and sometimes they are not dangerous. If not dangerous, if not dangerous, admit to the hospital. You are getting the point? Okay, once you get admitting that patient to the hospital, next comes the social care. inform to the next kind generations, update the register, take the in charge, do the regular checkup and finish it. You are getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next comes
Yes,
the
sir.
confirms the detention decision, record the detention decision. Again you are checking it is a dangerous or not dangerous. If it is a dangerous, the patient is out of control. Okay, what is the next thing? Find the secure place. If available,
Find a secure place.
find the secure place. Okay, if available, transfer to the secure hospital. Okay, once you transfer to the secure hospital, again next same things are going to come. Inform to the social care, inform to the next kind of things, next update the register, checking the regular things and all the things. If the patient is dangerous, you are not going to get the secure solution, that is secure place. That time you have to transport to the somewhere other secure place, that is police station. So this is nothing but the activity diagram with the UML, where we are checking the how the things are going to carried out or not. Right now online classes, just join the thing. Okay, mute your audio, mute your video, keep the phone where somewhere. When the attendants are going to call, give the attendance. One thing. Other thing, listen it carefully, take down the notes, etc., etc. Third most beautiful thing, not to join the session. Okay, so these are the n number of activities you are going to get, and we are going to call it as a process perspective model. Fine. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Okay.